So this is 2.3, question number 3 from Math 126 OE1 using the Lumen text. Entomologists are biological scientists who study insects. Entomologists studying tree crickets have found that they chirp at different rates depending on the temperature. The number of chirps per minute C that the tree cricket makes is linearly dependent on the temperature T. So equation of a line and temperature T in Fahrenheit. The crickets do not chirp at all below 35 degrees, and at 70 degrees they chirp about 133 times per minute. Express the number of chirps C as a function of the temperature T. Be sure to use function notation. So we have two data points. We have that at 35 degrees it's 0, and I'm putting temperature first and chirps second because chirps is dependent upon temperature. So chirps is a function of temperature. Oops. Now, okay, my iPad's acting really funny. I think I hit the wrong button. Now, the other data point we have is that at 70 degrees, they chirp 133 times. So it's 133 minus 0, I'm getting the slope here, over 70 minus 35 gives us 133 over 35, which is 3.8. So that's our slope. So our function C as a function of T, the variable, the independent variable, equals 3.8 times T plus some B for the basis there, the intercept if you want to call it that. So now we're going to plug in the data points that we know. We could plug in either data point. I'm going to plug in the first one. So I'm going to do C of 35 equals 3.8 times 35 plus B, and that was supposed to equal 0. Just remember from what we had there, the C part was 0. So this 3.8 times 35 is 133 plus B is 0. So we have B equals negative 133, and our function C of T is equal to 3.8 times T minus 133. So this would be the function for the first part, for A. And for B, we're going to take that and apply it. It says how many chirps per minute will the crickets make at 80 degrees? So for B, C of 80 equals 3.8 times 80 minus 133, and we come up with 171 chirps per minute. And that's it. I hope that helps.